Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. I have my Doodlebug June collab today. I apologize that my cards are late because I was busy last week and I didn't get enough time to post my video on Sunday. But the Doodlebug paper pad I will be using for my cards is Floral Graph Rainbow Petite Prints 6x6 paper pad. I want to use these papers with my floral images that I already have. The floral stamp sets that I use on my cards are Hero Art's Daisy and Bugs stamp set, the Tan Loose Peonies stamp set, and two stamp sets from Altinu and Simon Says Stamp Sweet Friend stamp set. I did color these images off camera with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I stamped the images on watercolor paper and used VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I will also use my Gansai Tambi Starry colors to splatter some gold paint on all of my colored images, and I think the gold paint gives it a little bit of elegance to my cards. I will do the splattering in my sink so I don't make a mess on my desk. And here are my gold splattered images. I will die cut the images that has coordinating die sets and fussy cut the ones that doesn't have dies. And my floral images are ready to be added to my cards. I love how these ones turned out. They are so pretty with that gold splatters. These cards will be thank you cards because I ran out of thank you cards last week. I used all my thank you cards from a stash to give it to my kids' teachers. I gifted them sets of handmade cards to thank them for their hard work this year. And these are the sentiments that I will be using for my cards. And this ones here are from that stamp set Simon Says Stamp, and the other ones are from Purple Onion Designs. So here I already started my first card and I'm just attaching everything. I already cut all my papers and ready to assemble. So I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you at the end. my apologies again for not posting my video on time, but here are my completed cards. I love how these cards turned out. They are so pretty. I think the gold splatters give it a nice touch to the cards. I hope you like these cards as much as I do, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.